Oh my gosh. Oh my.
I'm shaking. I don't know
Oh
why.
my gosh, you look. Oh
Way
my
better.
God.
My makeup this time.
Wow.
The story of your life is still yours to write. Marriage gives permanence and structure to a couple's love. A good marriage must be built on the foundation of this commitment. In marriage, the little things are the big things. It is never being too old to hold hands. It is remembering to say, I love you, at least once a day. It is never going to sleep angry. It is standing together and facing the world. It is speaking words of appreciation and demonstrating gratitude in thoughtful ways. It is having the capacity to not only forgive, but to forget. It is giving each other an atmosphere in which each can grow. It is a common search for the good and the beautiful. It is not only marrying the right partner, it is showing up as the right partner. Ultimately, it's the two of you against the world.
Come on, let's go.
You look beautiful. Sorry. Christian, I give you this ring with a pledge to love you today, tomorrow, always, and forever.
Christian, I give you this ring with a pledge to love you today, tomorrow, and forever.
Place the ring on his finger. Great. Christian, place the ring on Nicole's finger and repeat after me. Don't worry, it's not the first time. Nicole, I give you this ring with a pledge to love you today, tomorrow, always, and forever.
Nicole, I give you this ring with a pledge to love you always, today, tomorrow, always, and forever.
Well done. You may now place the ring on. By the power vested in me and by the state of Michigan, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Christian, you may now kiss your beautiful bride. Family and friends, I am proud to present for the first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Christian and Nicole Rupe.
very first time I met Nicole was when she came over to our house because he met some girl off Bumble. And he made sure it was known that she messaged him first. And he said, hey, I want to bring a girl over. I really like her. I'm into her. Do you want to meet her? And I said, sure. Ever since that happened, I knew right away. Literally a matter of moment's time, it didn't matter. I knew right away. You're getting the most loving, the most caring, the most selfless, and the most protective men I know. I love you. I love you. And I'll always be here for you, and I'm proud of both you guys.
And in the marriage, it's really just two people, you know, coming together and making a team, like a forever team. And Christian is that guy. Like I'm so happy for you guys. You guys look beautiful up there. You guys will do wonders, and you guys will be like great parents for Ava and Riley. So, you know, cheers to those two up there.
The way she talked about him, I knew they had something special. Fast forward to maybe a few months into the relationship. I asked, what would you do if he asked you to marry him tomorrow? She said yes. I told her she was freaking crazy. Turns out it's true. When you know, and she knew. All right, enough about Nicole. Christian, you're such a good match to my sister. You're loyal, funny, chill, a great dad, and a great person all around. I want to officially welcome you into our family, even though you already feel like a brother to me. I love you two so much. Let's raise a glass to Nicole and Christian.